What's up, YouTube? So I got this video. Well, I didn't record it, my dad did. He said this morning there was a bird outside getting mad at his own reflection and banging his head on my dad's truck that's parked out back. The reason it's parked out back because one of our dryers broke, so we got a new dryer. And now these birds, they come in and out every spring season. They come to our yard, they nest up, they have their babies, and then they fly off, and then they eventually come back like in fall, but they stay here till about spring and midsummer. Then they come back in like late fall, but then when winter comes, then they just fly out and then eventually come back. It's the same birds too, it's pretty funny though, because this bird's pretty dang angry at his reflection. Because you want to know why? And you'll see it in the video. The bird starts from the right side of the truck, starts banging his head against the window pretty hard, and then he sees that don't work, so he tries to do a sneak attack because he thinks a bird's there. He tries to do a sneak attack and go to the left of the truck and starts banging his head there too. I'll just show y'all the clip. It's pretty hilarious. All those scratch marks, I don't even know if you can see that. There's scratch marks all over this, all scratch marks from his head. All scratch marks over here too. Nothing but scratch marks all through this mirror. Retarded birds.